Hey everyone! Welcome back to Compare Core, the place where we help you spend your money the smart way. Today, we're checking out the best cordless vacuums of 2025, and trust me, you don't want to waste your cash on the wrong one. We've tested and compared the top models for power, battery life, suction performance, and overall value, and some of these picks are absolute beasts. So whether you've got pets, hardwood floors, or just hate dragging around cords, stick around because we've got something for everyone. Let's dive right into it with our first pick. Number 1. The Dreame R20. Alright guys, this thing is a beast for its price. The Dreame R20 is super lightweight, only around 6 pounds, which makes it insanely easy to handle around your home. It's bagless, has a 0.6-liter bin, and get this, up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's crazy good. Now, what really sets it apart is the auto mode. It automatically boosts suction when it senses more dirt, then eases up to save battery. And yeah, the suction power, absolutely amazing. It picked up everything, from pet hair to fine dust. No problem. It also has a carbon fiber wand that bends to 90 degrees, so cleaning under furniture is effortless. Plus, you get tons of attachments, including a soft roller head for delicate hard floors. Sure, it's trigger-operated, which might not be for everyone, and there's no auto-empty base, but honestly, for the value and performance you're getting, the Dreame R20 punches way above its price tag. Definitely one of the best cordless vacuums of 2025 so far. Number 2. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. Now, this one's a powerhouse, especially if you've got pets at home. The Shark Stratos packs some serious suction power, easily pulling fur out of carpets, rugs, and even your couch. And the best part? The floor head is designed to prevent hair tangling, so no more nasty clogs or cutting hair off the brush roll. It's got a bigger dust bin, around 0.8 liters, which means less time emptying and more time cleaning. And here's something I didn't expect. It comes with a built-in odor neutralizer, keeping things fresh while you vacuum. That's a small touch that actually makes a big difference. Sure, it's a bit heavier than others, around 8.8 pounds, so it's not as nimble as a Dyson, but Shark made up for that with a forward-bending wand, perfect for getting under furniture without breaking your back. If you want power, reliability, and pet hair domination, the Shark Stratos Cordless absolutely delivers. A solid choice for anyone who wants serious cleaning performance in 2025. Number 3. The Dyson V15 Detect. Alright, this one's a beast. The Dyson V15 Detect is easily one of the most advanced cordless vacuums you can buy in 2025. It's got automatic suction adjustment, real-time dust detection, and even a laser that literally shows you the dirt on your hard floors. Yeah, Dyson went full sci-fi with this thing. What really sets it apart is how smart and precise it is. The built-in display shows you exactly what kind of particles it's picking up, from dust to pet hair, so you know when an area is truly clean. The suction? Absolutely powerful, even on eco mode. And thanks to its super flexible floor head, it glides around furniture like a dream. Now it's a bit top-heavy. And yeah, the price tag is premium, but that's the Dyson standard. You're paying for innovation and build quality. With a 60-minute runtime, a sleek design, and that signature Dyson engineering, the V15 Detect isn't just a vacuum. It's a statement. Number 4. The Shark Detect Pro Cordless Auto Empty System. Okay, this one's for anyone who hates emptying their vacuum every 5 minutes. The Shark Detect Pro comes with a self-emptying base, so after you dock it, all the dust and debris whoosh straight into a sealed bag. No mess, no fuss. And if you've got allergies, this thing is a lifesaver. It's also super lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for quick cleanups around the house. The auto suction adjustment feature is a game changer. It senses when you're on carpet or hardwood and adjusts power on its own. You literally just push it around, and it does the thinking for you. Now, it's not the most powerful model out there, and yeah, the dust cup on the vacuum itself is small, but that base totally makes up for it. If you want a low-maintenance, smart, and convenient cleaning experience, the Shark Detect Pro is definitely worth checking out. Number 5. The Roidmi S2. Alright, if you're looking for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum that actually performs, the Roidmi S2 is your guy. It's sleek, super lightweight, and honestly, one of the best-looking vacuums out there. But don't let that clean design fool you. This thing has solid suction power and comes with a set of well-built tools that make cleaning small spaces a breeze. You've got 3 power modes right on the handle, giving you full control, and that compact wall-mounted charger keeps it neatly out of the way, perfect for apartments or smaller homes. Now, let's be real, it's not flawless. The dust bin is tiny, and emptying it can get a bit messy. So, if you've got pets or a big house, you might find yourself making a few extra trips to the trash. But here's the deal. For the price, especially when it's on discount around $175, it's a steal. The Roidmi S2 delivers more than you'd expect for this budget, making it the best cheap cordless vacuum in 2025. And that wraps up our list of the best cordless vacuums of 2025. If you made it this far, you're a real one. Which one of these would you pick for your home? The high-tech Dyson, the powerful Shark, or maybe the budget-friendly Roidmi? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I read every single one of them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next breakdown of the best gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. This is Compare Core, helping you spend smarter, not harder. Catch you in the next one.